Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Explain the initiatives at state level and in school level for importing environmental education. Initiatives at state level for improving environmental education. 1. Curriculum framework development. State education boards. State education boards often develop and implement curriculum frameworks that include environmental education as a core component. These frameworks guide schools on integrating environmental topics into various subjects. Example: states like Maharashtra and Kerala have designed specific guidelines for incorporating environmental concepts into the curriculum across different grade levels. 2. Policy implementation. Educational policies. State governments may issue policies mandating the inclusion of environmental education in school curricula. These policies often focus on promoting sustainability and awareness about environmental issues. Example: the Himachal Pradesh state government has introduced policies to ensure environmental education as a compulsory part of the curriculum. 3. Teacher training programs. Professional development. States often organize training programs and workshops for teachers to enhance their knowledge and skills in environmental education. These programs are aimed at improving the delivery of environmental content in classrooms. Example: the Tamil Nadu government conducts regular training sessions for teachers to help them integrate environmental topics into their lessons. 4. Development of educational materials. Resource creation. State education departments develop and distribute educational materials, such as textbooks, activity books, and online resources, focused on environmental education. Example: the Gujarat State School Textbook Board has published textbooks with dedicated chapters on environmental science and conservation. 5. Environmental education campaigns. Awareness programs. States often launch campaigns to raise awareness about environmental issues among students in the community. These campaigns may include competitions, exhibitions, and awareness drives. Example: the Rajasthan government has organized statewide environmental awareness campaigns to encourage students' participation in conservation activities. 6. Support for school-based initiatives. Grants and funding. State governments may provide grants and funding to schools for implementing environmental education projects and initiatives, such as creating school gardens or conducting eco-friendly practices. Example: the Punjab government has funded projects for waste management and recycling in schools. Initiatives at school level for improving environmental education. 1. Curriculum integration. Cross-subject integration. Schools integrate environmental education into various subjects, such as science, geography, and social studies, ensuring that students learn about environmental issues across different contexts. Example: science teachers may include lessons on ecosystems and conservation, while geography teachers may cover topics related to climate change and resource management. 2. Establishment of eco-clubs. Student participation. Schools often establish eco-clubs where students can participate in activities related to environmental conservation, such as tree planting, recycling drives, and cleanup campaigns. Example: the Eco Club in a Delhi school might organize monthly cleanup drives and workshops on waste segregation. 3. Environmental projects and activities. Hands-on learning. Schools encourage students to engage in hands-on environmental projects, such as creating waste management systems, developing school gardens, and conducting environmental surveys. Example: students may work on projects like setting up rainwater harvesting systems or building compost pits. 4. Field trips and outdoor learning. Educational excursions. Schools organize field trips to natural reserves, botanical gardens, and environmental centers to provide students with practical experience and a deeper understanding of environmental concepts. Example: a school in Karnataka might arrange a visit to a local wildlife sanctuary to study animal habitats and conservation efforts. 5. Integration of technology. Digital resources. Schools use technology, such as educational apps, online simulations, and interactive modules, to teach environmental concepts and engage students in learning. Example: teachers may use virtual reality simulations to illustrate the effects of deforestation and climate change. 6. Community and parental involvement. Collaborative efforts. Schools involve parents in the local community in environmental initiatives, such as organizing workshops, awareness programs, and sustainability practices at home. Example: schools might host community cleanup events and involve parents in discussions about sustainable living. 7. Recognition and awards. Incentives. Schools may recognize and award students and teachers for their contributions to environmental conservation and education. This helps motivate and reinforce positive environmental behavior. Example: schools could hold annual awards ceremonies to honor outstanding eco-club projects and environmental research. 8. Curriculum development and review. Regular updates. Schools regularly review and update their curriculum to ensure that it includes the latest environmental issues and educational approaches. Example: a school might revise its curriculum to incorporate recent developments in climate science and conservation strategies. Conclusion: both state and school-level initiatives play a crucial role in improving environmental education. By integrating environmental concepts into the curriculum, providing resources and training, and encouraging student participation, These initiatives aim to foster a deeper understanding of environmental issues and promote sustainable practices among students.